I had had ptosis surgery several years ago, which went well, but then the corners of the eyes got very droopy. So that was what was bothering me a lot. I could never put my eyeliner on and have it go on straight. And even the other surgeon, I mentioned it to him and he said, "Oh, people don't see it only when you look in the mirror you see it." I said, "Well, I look in the mirror a couple times a day. I don't want to see it." So he removed the excess skin on the ends. And then he lasered my eyes as well, which I was surprised that he could laser the lids. Of course, I was asleep, so there was no problem. Actually, it was a very pleasant experience. There were lovely nurses here, the PA. Everyone was kind and gentle and made me feel very relaxed. And I knew I was in good hands, so I was very comfortable. I was not at all concerned or afraid. And now, I mean, I don't even wear much makeup. I wear much less than I used to because I was always trying to make my eyes look a little more alive. And now it's less necessary somehow. And I work hard to feel good, and looking good is so connected to feeling good. It's just, they're one and the same to me.